Alright, I wanted to see if AI can actually show you which products are going to blow up on TikTok before they do. Because I'm not wasting my time filming videos for something that makes $10 in commission. So I tested a tool that pulls a real sales data, actual GMV, real creators, real trends, and tells you the likelihood of a product taking off. And bro, the early signals I found were way clearer than expected. One product literally started spiking a few days after I spotted it. In the next couple of minutes I'll show you exactly what I mean. I run pretty much everything in my business through data and AI system at this point. And everyone from Gary Vee,
TikTok and TikTok Shop, TikTok
Shop
to the real numbers is saying TikTok Shop is exploding right now. So finding the right product to promote is a whole game. So I wanted to see, are the early signals truly predictable, or are we all just throwing darts in the dark and hoping TikTok blesses us? Before I even consider making content for a product, I always check the same 5 indicators. The first one is trend velocity. Is it rising or is it dying? The second, GMV growth. Are people actually buying or just watching? The next one is creator activity. Who is hopping on it and how fast? Then competition levels, is the window still open or basically gone? And the last one is creator performance. Do the early videos outperform the baseline? And that's my system, that's the baseline. And this is exactly what I use to test this tool. So I'm comparing it to the real process I already use. Inside, here's what I actually did. First, I checked what's trending right now, and you can literally see where the GMV spikes are happening in real time. It's like watching the market breathe. Then I look at how fast creators are picking up each product, because momentum is money. And the product score, that thing basically combines all the early signals I just mentioned into one number. It's like having TikTok Shop X-ray vision. I'm showing you the parts I actually cared about, and not the whole tool, just what mattered for this test. Now here's the part that surprised me. Early upticks are way easier to spot than I expected. Some products don't blow up because the product is good. They blow up because creators hit this group momentum loop, where everyone boosts each other without even knowing it. And the craziest part, categories follow the same pattern over and over again. Once you recognize the curve, you kinda know the next trend before it hits. And that's the unfair advantage. This is not for random people looking for quick hacks. This is for creators, founders, agencies, and operators who wanna validate ideas with the real data and not just, I think this product is cool. If you treat this like a business, this stuff matters. It saves you time, saves you money, and it keeps you from betting on the wrong thing. This tool is running their Black Friday and Cyber Week sale right now. It's literally their biggest discount of the year. The Ultimate and Pro plans are 45% off, and the basic plan is 65% off. And most importantly, my community, and if you're watching this, gets an extra 10% off with the link in the description below. So if you wanna pick products that will actually make you fuck ton of money instead of guessing, hit the first link in the description. Grab the discount and start validating with the real numbers and the real data. Not just by thinking, I know this product will blow up. And see you on the next one.